Hello guys, I'm Lukey and today we'll be playing Subway Surfers. Hope you guys enjoy. So there was a police behind us, and if we hit something like this, as you can see the police comes closer, and if you don't hit anything, then you're fine. And if you double tap the screen you get a board. Cool. I think these books, it's like a new update. It says Subway Surfers Oxford. And these books, I think they like act like tokens. And keys, if you die, the keys can help you, and you can press on it. There's a button if you die and you press on it, you can keep on playing up to the bit where you were up to. So yeah. So these jumping boots, if you jump over the coins, and what I mean by that is you do get the coins, they just come up to you, which I can fly with. Since I don't have a key, I can use it. I have no clue what these do though. I'm concentrating so hard right now. Oh, that was close. Yeah, there we go. That's the way to do it. Oh, a new high school. Okay. I'm surprised. Oh, and we got a guitar. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. And that's what happens when you watch the end to get a head start.